Looks nice so far. We're gonna see what they got inside. And I'm a little hungry. Need some food. It's like one of the most beautiful malls I've ever been in. This mall is beautiful. It's so beautiful. That's some big ass koi fish. Got them extra big here. This mall is beautiful. This is a good mall right here. Montclair. You want some Montclair? They got Montclair. Montclair store. We got the Fendi store. What's up, bro? We got the Montclair shoes. How much are these shoes? There ain't no price on nothing. Trail Grip GTX. Would you wear these? Let me know. All right, we got the Montclair hoodie outfit. And it's, I'm gonna show you. This one right here. Oh, where the tag go? Oh, this one right here. Look, I'm gonna show you right now. This hoodie right here, $1,000 for this hoodie. Give you some inspiration. Give you some inspiration. Get your money up. Give you some New Year's inspiration. Get your money up. Become more successful. Then you don't have to worry about the price of nothing. I feel like Gucci really ain't what it used to be. I feel like Gucci's kind of like played out now. It's not really nothing special. But we got Audemars Piguet. This is where you get the watch at. Where you get that good watch. Hey, what y'all got in there? Let me look at your watches. Everybody just having a good time, relaxing, eating some good food. We got the Balmain shoes right here. I like these. These are sick. Maybe we need the shirt. Maybe might have to get the shirt. Okay, we got 40% off. We got the Balmain. Oh, that's not bad. Okay, this one's 40% off, so it makes it what? How much is it? Let's see. I like this color. What do you guys think? Get this one. You could always put the gray with everything. $357 right now. I think you might be the best part of Balmain store.
Where you guys from?
This one's perfect Miami vibes right here. Okay, so all the Miami ones. So all the good ones.
Quite big.
This is
the oversized one.
It's gonna be.
Medium.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
These are gonna.